All right, continuing on our journey with the CD4069. It's a whole bunch of inverter circuits, so let's use a bunch of them. All right, let's take a look at this circuit. We have these inverters. So if we have a high here, we have a low here, a high here, a low here, a high here, a low here. Wait a minute, we had a high here. High, low, high, low, high, low. Uh-oh, we have a high and a low, they're gonna fight each other. But that's okay, because then that low will come around here and change the state. And so as long as you have an odd number of gates, it will keep trying to change. Now, why does it change? Well, it takes time for it to go through this thing. There's something called propagation delay. And the propagation delay is how long it takes to propagate from here to here. To go from here to here is propagating, and it takes some time, which is the delay. So we have propagation delay. So it takes time to do that, takes time to do that, takes time to do that. So it takes 5 of those things to go to here, and then you come back around to the beginning, you're going to have some type of oscillation around, roundy, that is equal to 5 times the propagation delay. Okay, so let's try that out. I have wired one up here. We're using 5 inverters. Let's take a look. And there we go. It's going roundy at 6.14 megahertz, 6 megahertz. So that's pretty cool. Let me change my FFT. It's not starting low enough. Let's start it at 5 megahertz. Yeah, there we go. That's better. So here's our big one. That's 6.144, and then all of the harmonics going down there. So yeah, there we go. Let's take a look at what if we only went 3. Okay, odd numbers. Okay, what if we went 3? It's going to be quicker. It's going to be quicker. Let's move that wire over to number 3. And let's take a look at there. Look at that. We're at 9.3. Okay, where were we before? Yeah, interesting. So you can do the calculation, right? We took away two propagation delays, and now we've sped up to 9.3 megahertz. Yeah, pretty nice. Now the strange thing is, I don't recall ever seeing this in an actual circuit. So comment below if you've seen this in an actual product. It certainly seems fine to do. It will start up immediately every single time. There'll be no problems with that. You can choose different types of parts. There are fast parts and slow parts. You know, 7400, 74LS, 74LS, you know, 74S, 74C, 74F. You know, there's all kinds. Nowadays, there's low voltage CMOS and stuff that are in that series. So yeah, you can always get faster and faster inverters. And this should tear around faster and faster. So anyway, comment below if you've seen this in a circuit.